Say goodbye to hours of editing. This AI tool will revolutionize your video editing game. Do you struggle with editing videos and need help with AI tools to enhance your editing process? In this video, I'll present you this amazing AI video tool which will streamline your editing process.
In the realm of video editing, challenges abound. Picture this, hours spent on intricate tasks, only to face the hurdle of advanced editing techniques. A labyrinth of layers, transitions, and effects, each demanding a keen eye and a deft hand. It's a dance with time, a battle with complexity. But remember, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth. So, press on, brave editors, for your craft is a testament to your resilience.
Let's check out this amazing AI video generator which will help you resolve complex editing issues and create stunning video. Hey friends, hi. So let's check out this amazing platform called renderforest.com. It's an absolutely incredible AI video generator which does all the massive heavy lifting for you. So if you are a content creator, you are an entrepreneur, you are a marketer, you are an editor, and you look forward to making videos, this is an absolutely stunning platform. I've been on this platform for more than a year now, and I've created lots of videos using this platform because it's so easy to use. Now, I'm not an editor or a technical guy who knows how editing works, how animation works, or how video making works for that matter. So this platform kind of helped me a lot because it's so easy to use to create your videos. Let me give you a quick glimpse into the software, what all it has and how it works. So if you drop down this menu over here, as you can see, there are various categories which are available to generate your videos and edit your videos. Like you want to do your intros, animations, video editing, YouTube videos, slideshows, video presentations, invitations, animated explainer videos. So there are these tons of different features which are available to create your video. So now if I were to click on any of the category and run you through how easy it is to use this particular platform to create your videos. The reason it's simple because you have all of these ready-made templates. These templates, as you can see, they are all done up already. All you got to do is select the right template which works for you for your video, and you can start editing your video very easily. It's all plug and play and very easy to use, and they have tons of different templates in different categories. So if you want to do explainer animations, if you want to do let's say explainer animations, they have all of these tons of different templates available. So you can create a 3D animated video, you can have explainer video which is 2D, business presentation kit, and it's all very easy to use. As you can see on this over here, there are different categories for product and service promotion, mobile app promotion, typography. If you want to do text animated video, you want to do other greeting videos like Christmas, you can do all kinds of other promotional videos which are any kind of video that you might be looking at. So there are tons of templates in this promotional video category. If you drop down, there are these logos. Now it's very easy to create logos on this platform. On a conventional editing platform, creating a logo is such a complex task, but when you use this platform, it's all pre-done. All of these logos are all ready. All you have to do is insert your PNG, JPG of your logo, and it will be auto-generated as this is all pre-done and ready. And again, once again, they have tons of different logo styles over here. You can use any which works for you for your project. Once again, very easy to use. Video editing, when you select this particular section, now it drops down into various different styles of video edits that you might need. If you're doing a YouTube video, you're doing opener animation, special event video, let's say we're doing any real estate video, movie trailers. If you're creating if you're an editor doing a movie trailer, you can use this feature. Once again, I'm not really going into every section right now because due to the limitation of time, I would like to wrap the video as fast so that it can be crisp and tight and I can give you the effective understanding of this platform. So I'm not going into all the sections, but like I said, all of the sections have all the pre-done templates as you can see on the screen right now. and it's all very easy to edit and stuff. All you can create your free account. I've given the link to this software in the description of this video. Just go out there and click up and create your free account, get started, get the hang of it. And there are these other sections called slideshow, presentations. So like I said, it's all very easy to use. Now if I were to go into my videos section, the videos that I've been editing, let's select one, and let me just show you the edit line, how the edit looks like. So one second, it's just loading up. Right. Yeah, so these are all the different videos that I've been working on. So let me open this first one. Let me just show you the edit line, how it looks like and how easy it is to use. So I open this video. Right. So here we are. The edit line is open. I've been working on this text animated video where I used the ready-made text template and I've put in my text. It's very easy to put in your text. And then what I've done is next is I've used a video which I've created on a different platform. I've inserted over here. So all I gotta do is select and insert the video on this template over here. Once again, text animation. So very easily you can input your text and stuff and do your video. Next, when you come over here, let's say you're doing the music, let's say you want to do the voiceover. So again, very easy to put up your voiceover out here. You come here in the music section and you select your all the slides that where you want the text on. And as you come down, see this is my slide with the text, and there is this feature called text to speech. So it's very easy, just put in your text and hit text to speech and your voiceover will be ready, and the voiceover will be automatically added onto the slide. So there is no complexity involved in typical like the way in other conventional editing platforms. It's very easy, it's plug and play. Also you can record your own voice using this tool. You can record your own voice very easily, and it will once again slap on to your scene. So these are all of my scenes where I've already done the voice very easily using this tool, and it's done. Also putting up the music is very easy on this platform. Let's say if I were to go back, you can select tons of different music tracks which the software gives you. As you can see over here on the left, there are different music genre: rock music, funk music, upbeat music. So there are different music genres. You can select any and simply click on this add icon and the music will be added. All is done. Next, all you have to do is go to the preview mode. You can do a fast preview to see how your video looks like, and then you have the option to go do HD 720 and HD 1080 quality. They also have 4K quality video. Whichever format works for you, hit export and the video is ready. So that's how easy it is to generate videos on Render Forest, edit videos on Render Forest. And it's, as I said, it's all plug and play, very easy. Where once you sign up and get started, in a matter of 2 to 3 days, as you start using the software, you'll get the hang of it and things will go very fast. I have been editing videos, doing videos in like less than 10 to 15 minutes. It's such an amazing, stunning platform. Once again, I've given the link to this platform in the description of the video. So go ahead, create a free account and get started. And if you found value in the video, please do subscribe and like our channel, like this video, do share, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thank you.